Hello, this week's training video is on Excel and how to separate information in one column into two. For example, here I have a spreadsheet of names, email addresses, favourite movies and animals. In my column A, I have the full name, so that's first name and surname. If I wanted to split this up, there is a feature in Excel called text to columns. Before I do this, I need to make sure that there is a spare column for my data to go into. I select my column B and I just want to add in a new column. You can do this by a right click, insert, or by using Control, Shift and plus. When I have my new column, I can now use the text to columns. So to do this, I would select the data. So I'm using a keyboard shortcut of Control, Shift and down. So you can see that has selected all of my data to the point where my data has ended. I go to my data ribbon at the top and I press text to columns. I can now decide whether I want to split the data based on the characters or I can do it based on a fixed width. So I want to do it based on the space between the first name and the surname. So I select next and I tick the space option. You can see now in my data preview that I have a line between the first name and the surname. Where I'm happy with the way the data looks, I can finish. You may receive this pop-up asking if we want to replace data. Where I've just added this column in, I'm happy to replace the data. Please be cautious if you have separated by space and one or two of the records have included a middle name. That will move the surname onto the email column. So do make sure you have enough columns to cover all of the data. Select OK. And now you can see my full name column has now been split into first name and surname. Thank you for watching.